Biz Princeton, Texasda, Princeton degan shahar bor, Texasning yonida. O'sha yerda bittasi hovli uyida, dalasi, огородlarida nima muzey qilibdi. Har xil hayvonlari bor ekan. Mana parking loti, stoyankasi. Bitta remont bo'lyapti shekilli. Mana shu shunaqa qilib, mana bir kishiga $15 ekan. Yosh bolalarga $13 ekan. Hozir kirib hayvonlarni ko'ramiz. Mana bu yerda check-in deb yozib qo'yibdi. Nima? Bilet olgani. Hozir Sherdorda olib kelganman. Bir mazza qilib aylanib chiqsinchi. Icha kulgili ekani, endi qani ko'ramiz. Haligi davlatni zooparkidan ko'ra endi bu odam o'z uyida qilib olganda, bitta ikkita hayvonlar paka bor mana. Echkilar. Eshak bor ekan. Mana bu yerda echki tashqarida yuribdi. Nima aytdim, echkilar yuribdi. Bu rishotkasi nima ekan? Tok bor ekan rishotkasi. Hozir o'chirib qo'yishdi. Chiqaman desa tok uradi shekilli hayvonlar. Hozir ko'ramiz. Qani. Taqishimiz kerak ekan. Taqib qo'yasizmi qo'llarimizga? Ha?
2 years old and less are.
Yo'q,
not for the baby. Look, you can tell ya.
yo, bebiga taqmang.
No, she's doing it.
Bebiga taqmang.
The baby.
Bunaqasini
Naka kiyasi.
How many y'all got?
o'sha maytda chiqadi bunaqasi. Mana.
Any of those children?
Kley chiqadi.
And y'all
Shular qo'limizga taqib olishimiz kerak. Nima qilyapsan Sherda? Qo'lingga olib jichicha bermaysanmi? Qo'lingga olib bunday qilib berginda menga jicha. Ana. Voy, muncha zo'r yerkan.
Hammasini ishlatib. You're enthusiastic. Right now? Pretend, Joe, can I go in? Aisha, Omar, let's pretend Aisha, Omar, I want to pretend I'm in JR.
Zo'r ekan, qorni och ekan, Sherda.
Dada.
Ha, Sherda cho'chqani qaragani ketyapti.
Bedroom balcony when
Ha?
it's
Yuring. Cho'chqani qaraymiz hozir. Cho'chqa. Yurchi, cho'chqani ko'raylikchi yana.
I'm
Nimaga?
I want to go inside that room.
Yo'q, berib ko'rgan, ana qiz ushayapti, qaragin. Ana qiz ushayapti, beravergin.
I'm too scared. I can't.
Berchi, men berib ko'ray, Sherdor. Hey. Qo'lingda bergin, o chachib tashlashadi Sherdor.
Dada, I can't. Dada, can we go to the bird room?
Ha, bizda qolmadi boshqa. Berchi, men berib ko'raychi, jicha. Jicha berib ko'raychi. Mayli. Ma.
Hop, Dada.
Mayli.
Ha.
Qayerga boraylik? Yurchi o'sha xonaga kirib ko'ramiz. Cho'chqani tishlarini qaragin.
Buddy, I know you're happy, but we first have to. Wait, the mic, yep.
Entrance only. Please close first door before opening second door debdi. Birinchi eshikni yopgin deyapti, ikkinchini ochishgandan oldin deyapti. Voy, nima? O joni chiqyaptilar.
Go throw it over there. No, throw it over there so they'll go away.
Any family.
Şeysami
His
Sherda?
family died from a war.
Nima qilyapti?
yemaydi shekilli Sherdor. Yeyrmikan. Ketdik biz erkalik mishiq ekan. Yuring, boshqa hayvonlar ko'ramiz. Bolachalarni qarang.
Nimaga baqa qo'yishgan ekan?
Ham kechqurun. Voy, ani kichkinaligini qarang, voy.
No.
30 santimetr. O'rdakchalarni qarang, asalchaligini. Qochishmayotganini qara, o'rganishganini. Hali biz oldimizdagilarni oldiga borsin, yugurgilab ketadi.
Bittasini ushlasangiz nima bo'ladi?
Lekin ushlasang bo'laveradi. Ushlayapti Sherdor, qara, voy, indashmayapti bolalari, zo'r ekan. Usha bittasini Sherdor, usha. Xo'p, qo'y bolami deyapti. Berchi, mamta berib ko'raychi Sherdor. Qani? Ma. Daglin. Buvasini oldiga kelib olishgan qara. Ma.
Bo'lmadi, hammasi.
Dumi qara ketishdi. Soldier.
O'rtalaring keldi.
Can I ride on you? If I give you one slap. Can I ride on you?
Ola qara rosa chiqqilari kelyapti. Sherdor, ola qara rosa chiqqisi kelyapti.
Oh my god, stop.
Hayronman.
Oh my god.
Qo'ling bilan ber, yana chiqaradi.
Don't touch. Give it to them.
Ana kichkinalari siqib chiqa olishga.
Ha, bu rosa ham kichkina ekan.
uni.
Ha, arqindan kelyapti.
No, should go. Follow. Qinamay, ber. Qo'limni tishlab olsa, Amira kichik katta o'tirib.
Mana hammasi.
Ya ular qara fight qilishyapti, yerda urushishyapti, ani ikkalasini qara. Welcome to the farm. Marhamat qiling, fermamizga iltimos bo'lib. Oching eshikni. Qani, to'xting. Ya, bu qanaqa bu sekretni? Oh. Please drop your empty cups here. Empty cuplarni shaqa qo'ygin deyapti. Ana nima echki kelyapti biz bilan orqamizdan.
Qara follow qilyapti.
Come on in.
Come on in.
Kir. Hey. İşte. Bu qaysi hayvon edi? Voy, bu anaqa. Ichkamarmi, nima deydi? Hameleon. Otini yozmabdimi? Otini yozmabdi-yu. Lekin odam kelsa bilyapti. Mana bu yerda tualet, o'zlarining ishxonasi, ikkita to'tiqush qo'yib qo'yishibdi. Voy, bu to'tiqush chiroyli. Voy, sizlarni ko'rmabman. Bular Makka degani shekilli. Adashmasam nimada qushlar magazinida bir donasi 8000 dollar turar ekan. Yana bittasi. Bular shu Janubiy Amerika qit'asida Amazon o'rmonlari o'shlarda bo'lar ekan. Nima ekan bu? Quyon-ku?
No, bu baby kangaroo.
Kenguruni bolasi. Bular nima ovoz chiqaryapti? Yana ana toshbaqani qara kattaligini. Qattiq ekanmi? Ana toshbaqani qara, Sherdor oldimga kelyapti mana. Shedar, qara meni toshbaqa oldimga kelyapti. Qara oldimga chiqaman deyapti, uni qara. Ovqating bormi deyapti. Berchi yana unga qara. Og'zini ochishini qara. Voy bechora. Voy bechora. Davom qilgin, pastroqqa qilgin. To'xta, men beraman. Beraman. Ha. Mana, paqaki. Ha. Bu yeyish qiyin ekan-da buni. Mana. Bu yeyish qiyin ekan buni. Bu zo'r.
Bu eagle'lar bunu yerdimi?
Mazza qilib yeydi buni.
So even falconlar.
Falcon ham yeydi, burgut ham yeydi.
Crowlar.
Kim?
Crow.
Yo'q, crowlar yemaydi. Qarg'a yemaydi-ku shu yerda. To'g'ri kelgan o'tni beraverasanmi shu yerda? Yur cho'chqalar familiesini ko'raylik, bu yerda cho'chqalarning oilasi bor ekan. Yurchi. Men cho'chqani. Uy. Jirkanchligini qara. Bu qara bu cho'chqalar loyning ichida yuradi deb bekorga aytishmas ekanda. Mana qara, loyni ko'ryapsan, bular yaxshi ko'radi shunaqa madlarni. Burnini qara, nafas olishini.
Qarang bitta.
Uni oyog'i singan ekan bechorani.
Medical care qilmaydimi?
Endi nima qilishadi? Tug'ilashgan bo'lsa kerak. Bechora oyog'i qiyshiq ekan.
You want some? What kiraylik?
Qayerda kirsa bo'ladimi ekan? Yeyaptimi? O'tibdi yana cho'chqani bolasi kelyapti, qara. Bu uyatmas ekan-a?
Yo'q, senga bermayman, bu bechora oyog'i sinibdi.
Bu cho'chqan qara, umuman nimasi yo'q ekan, uyatmas ekan-a, anaqa.
Yo'q.
Bir xijolatdan bo'lmasin kerak.
Ma. Ye. Mana.
Qani bularga o't beraylik, shirmikin. Men o't yeysanmi? Qad bermanglar nimaga? Toshbaqalarga tishlaydi biraz. Voy. Yana gul. Go inside? Amerikanskiy qo'y. Voh. Cho'chqan bolasini qara. Nimani ko'rasiz? Ostrich bor ekan, tuyaqush. Does an ostrich bite?
Emu, it does not bite. It's only interested in the cup.
Just fit in the cup.
Yes.
Oh, because the beak is too strong.
It's antisocial. It doesn't like interaction, but it will only go for the food.
For the food.
That is
Wow. So if you like just hand the food, it doesn't do
It
anything.
doesn't do anything.
Okay. Shedar, looks like you just need to hand the food. Only hand the food, deyapti. Don't, yeah, no with your hands, with the cup, deyapti. Just, Shedar.
Stop following. No more bad.
Bor Shedar, qani berchi. Just, aytayaptiki, just hold the cup, deyapti.
I can't give you it. I'm sorry.
Go. Try, Shedar. Bol, try.
It's not going to attack you. It's not going to do anything. You can just.
Come there. Hey, Shedar. Owner is here. Go.
There's too much gold.
No, they do nothing, Shedar.
I
Don't
know.
panic. Just walk. Shedar. Eh. Eh,
That's just the way it is.
He's very bold.
Fair.
Go, Shedar. We have no time. Okay, come. We have no time. Don't be scared. I will hold it. Are you scared? Bear, let me do it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wait, I'm scared. Wow.
That's it.
Wow. Shedar, you want to do it?
Dada, please, you hold.
I think she still wants the food, right?
Yes, just the
Oh.
food. That's all that there.
Oh, how we can say no? Can you take it? Because we don't want it too much. Okay, it's time. You gotta go. So, I'm sorry. Yeah, we'll be back. We'll be back. No. Let's go. Shedar, qochdik. İlanlar bilmadim ama borarmiz. Bu yerda nima bor ekan? Bu garden ekan, просто bog'lar ekan. Kacheli o'ynagani bor. Uy, ikkitasi urishyapti. Hey. Yes. Shedar. Hey, Shedar. Yur kiramiz.
Let me leave the stroller out though.
Thank you. Come on, Shedar, let's go. Thank you.
Yep.
Wow, mana qara kichkinaligini Shedar. Look at this one.
It can also be how to show
Shedar. Look at this one. Shedar, it's time. How old?
But I think they were born last week.
Last week.
Yeah, so they're still babies. But if you see, she still has her umbilical cord.
Yeah, wow. Kindiga hali ham turibdi ekan deydi.
Okay, so you're gonna have one arm under its butt. So this arm is gonna go under its butt. Yep. You got it.
Oh my god.
Yep, you got it.
Hold it, Shedar.
Hold
Hold
it,
strong.
it'll feel more comfortable.
Okay.
There you go. Got it.
Okay, rasmga olib qo'yaman. Take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Good job.
Who wants to hold it?
Endi Mumtoz, o'shaysan? Amira bilan rasmga tushsin Shedar. Yeah. Oh, there is another one. That one is also 1 week.
This one, the black and white one.
Yes.
So she is a few months. She was born a lot smaller than all of her other siblings, so she was a bottle baby because she wasn't able to get any milk from her mother.
Oh.
She's older. She's just small. Her name is Mumu.
Mumu. These guys are keep fighting.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
mainly-
Don't they like hurt each other?
As long as there's no blood, it'll be all right. But it's mainly just because she's protective of her babies. And
Oh.
she feels like this goat's a threat to her babies.
They're trying to
Oh,
decide
that-
who's in charge. I'm the big boss. No, you're not. Kind of thing.
That's how she feels.
I promise you, they're not getting hurt. If one felt hurt, they would walk away. They're not. They won't.
Ah.
When the babies do it, though, it's typically for playing, and sometimes I want to be the leader or something.
Probably that's fun for them, right?
It
Doing
is. The
this.
babies will do it a lot for fun too. Daddy, let's go over there. But they're not hurting each other. They're just no problem. Their heads are really thick. I promise.
Mana shu otda hozir minadi Sherdor. Chiroyliligini qarang buni. Sherdor oldiga tur, rasmga olib qo'yaman. Nima gunoh qilyapti u? Nima gunoh qilyapti Sherdor? Nima?
Careful of his butt.
Careful with what?
His backside.
Oh, can he like kick? Oh, qo'rqsang tepadagi oyog'i bilan orqasida yurmagin deya. O'tkazadi Sherdorni.
So just to make sure we don't scare them or in case they kick, we always don't walk behind there.
Behind, just in case.
Are you
Okay.
ready? This is Cowboy, by the way.
Cowboy ekan Sherdor. This is cowboy.
You ready? You're gonna put your left foot right here. So the foot closest to me. You're gonna grab this horn. You're gonna pull yourself up. Land soft. on the
Munta
back.
sana minasam?
You're gonna hold this with two hands. and then you're just gonna have fun. We won't go far, I promise. Alright.
Shedar, are you feeding your horse?
Really grass all day if he could.
Oh, how does it feel? Qale Shedar. Zo'rmi? Oh. Sherdar, do you feel how knights ride the horse?
How was that? You did awesome. You ready to hop off? Yeah. So when we get off, we're gonna take this kid out.
Look at me, Sherdar.
Look at the camera.
1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you.
Alright, you're gonna move this leg behind you. So this leg, yep, you're gonna push it back and over the saddle.
Okay, now you can be a knight, Sherdar.
You're gonna slide off, just like that. You got it.
Good
Awesome.
job.
Give him a pet. I know, when you're getting off, it feels a lot higher than what you actually are.
Okay.
You did awesome. That right there is Diego.
Doesn't.
Diego, yeah. Before we got him, he actually had his own Instagram account, which I think is pretty cool. So he's kind of a little famous girl.
Was he? Cho'chqa bilan sayohat.
Dad, this worth the cost.
What's the cost? Puliga arziydimi?
Stop, please.
Ha, kelishaversin. Kelinglar. Yo, qo'rqma, bu qo'y xolos. Qoch. Yuravering Sherdor, yuravering. Yuravering Sherdor. Hammasi ovqat bergin deyapti-da. Mana fermalar ekan. Ustimga chiqmagin. Qanaqa qo'ysan, ha? Sorry. Oho, qo'chqorni qaranglar. I don't have food. Fermani chiroyli qilishdi lekin. Cho'chqalar bekorga harom bo'lmas ekanda. O'zi isqirtligini, loylarni qara, loylarda voy isqir. Yo, suvni ichida qanaqa uxlayapti, men hayronman. Voy. Mana bittasi biz oldimizda yuribdi. Itga o'xshab yonimizda aylanib. Amerikada ham shunaqa fermalar bor.
Look,
Otlar, o'ta tuya ham olib kelishibdi. Uy, yo'q, kelmagan. Qarab turishni qara, jaildan qarab turgandek, qamoqxonadan. Rahming keltirib. Can you rescue me? deyapti. Ya bu cho'milmas ekanda, shunaqa yuraverar ekanda. Otlar ham bor ekan. Nima qilyapti Sherdor? Yana cho'chqa yana keldimi?
Buni battirib
Sherdor olib keldi-da buni.
Qo'ch.
Kolyaskani bo'g'ib.
Ha, yuvmasak bo'lmaydi. Mana cho'chqalarni yana, mana aytdi, qara qanaqa katta cho'chqalar bor ekan. Oh, big ones. Easy. Buraya tortib yotishini cho'chqa. Qara, buraya tortyapti. Qulayapti. Bu bolachasi ham bor ekan, kichkina. Voy, buning kattaligini qarang. Olyapman.
Aqlliligini qarang. Uni qo'lida narsasi bor deydigan.
Uy! Took what?
You gotta hold onto your food better than that.
And then something's touching me.
Yeah, it will.
Okay.
She's not gonna hurt you.
Hi, girl.
Shu rasmga olib qo'yaman, Mumtoz.
Just that big?
Yeah.
Ever get bucked off? Hold your
Come on,
hand.
cut.
Thank you.
Sure.
More reptile, qara. Blue-tongued
Skink.
skink. Man.
You see that?
Yeah.
What do you guys feed them with?
What do you mean?
Like, what kind of food do you guys give them?
So depending on what they're feeling like, they get live bugs, dead bugs, salad,
Bugs?
bugs. I'm not sure if they actually can eat or will eat. It's been a minute since I fed those.
Mouse?
Some small mammals, maybe, but I'm not for certain. I could be wrong on that one. Well, hi there. Big hand. There you go.
How do you see that?
Good.
How do you feel? Like hot? Is it hot?
It's hot. Really?
It's not that hot. It's kind of hot under.
Under his tummy, that's probably from their hands. But they're typically cold-blooded. So.
my hands.
Okay, hang on. It's his turn right now.
Oh, you have to wash your hands.
It does? Do you want to hold? No?
You sure?
Good job, Sheila.
All right.
Thank
Thank you.
Say thank you, Sheila.
All right.